welcome to another unboxing video by Redline Technologies. Awkward hand pose. Okay, today we'll be unboxing the Dell P4317Q, which is a 43-inch, not sure why I'm lifting the box, 43-inch 4K multi-client monitor. So let's open the box and see what it's like. Okay, I've opened it already. I've cut the seal already. I might need some help opening this. Not from you, Kushan. You go. No. Please go, small person. You get USB cable, mini DisplayPort to full-size DisplayPort, and HDMI cables. Because you won't see us again until we unbox it. Then you get a disc and 4 mounting screws, a power cable, and a lot of foam. And what's this? And no, it's a Visa mount back cover. Yeah. This is the stand, Kushan?
I didn't see it.
A stand for what?
I don't know.
You
can stand on it.
Alright, so.
Oh, that's the stand.
What? That's a stand there. Holy crap, what is this? This is the stand.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay, we have to. Technical difficulties here.
Later that same evening.
So the monitor assembled itself. If you unpack it properly, there's a little genie that comes out of the back of the monitor, and it assembles it. It doesn't do that. Anyway. So what you're looking at here is a 43-inch 4K monitor. Now it is not an ultra-sharp monitor, and it's not from their, well, it is from their P series. It's just not an ultra-sharp monitor. So color accuracy is not as great as an ultra-sharp, but you get the advantage and the screen real estate of a 43-inch with the 4K display. Now that resolution is 3840 by 2160, and connectivity wise what you're looking at is HDMI, 2 HDMIs, you have a mini DisplayPort, VGA, and you have a USB pass-through for your USB 3 hub, and you have a power cable, power connector. Alright, so as you can see, we got it up and running. What we're playing here is just something off YouTube. It's streaming at 4K, and the picture quality is absolutely phenomenal. I don't really have a very good view of this because everyone's being selfish and I'm supposed to sit on the couch. So I wanted to talk a bit about the stand of the monitor. It is not height adjustable, but it's very robust, and it has to be so because the monitor itself weighs about 24 kilos. It's quite hefty for a monitor. And what else? The screen doesn't touch the edges, so it's not an edge-to-edge display. That is, I think, most prevalent in their ultra-sharp monitors. Whether we'll see a 43-inch ultra-sharp monitor in the near future is debatable, but I'm sure they have something in the works. But this, what you're getting now, is something with a tangible border. Which is not too bad, but an ultra-sharp monitor would be, a 43-inch ultra-sharp monitor would be exquisite. Okay, the reason this monitor is called a multi-client monitor is because you can pair up to 4 devices simultaneously with this monitor. So what that does is it splits the monitor into 4 separate screens. So that's essentially 4 1080p displays. So like I said earlier, it has 2 HDMIs and 1 mini DisplayPort and 1 full-size DisplayPort. So when you connect each of those inputs, it splits the screen accordingly. And each of those screens has its own its own functions like zoom in, zoom out, things like that. So other than the premium build quality and the robust stand and the IPS display, IPS panel, you get all the other bells and whistles also. So you get a 3-year warranty with this, all for the price of about 140,000 rupees. Alright, so that's unboxing and overview of the Dell P4317Q. For more information on us, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook.